Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a Surron seat on your Razor RSF650. This is going to make the bike a ton more comfortable and easier to ride if you're an adult. I'm using a seat adapter kit which I designed myself and I 3D print at home. I'll have a link to this down in the description below. But let's go ahead and get into this install. And the first thing you're going to need is to gather some tools. The tools you'll need are a 5mm Allen, a 10mm socket, a ratchet for that socket, and then finally a Phillips screwdriver. And of course, we're going to start by removing the factory pieces. We're going to start with the seat here, which is held in by two bolts. Both of those are 5mm Allen head at the back of the seat. And then at the front of the seat, we have one single 10mm nut. And once you remove those three, we should be able to remove the seat completely. With the seat out of the way, we can remove the rear cowl, and this is simply done with the two Phillips head screws on either side. Once we have that out of the way, we can remove this lower cowl. It only has 3 screws that are holding it on, and once you've removed that, you have everything gone that you won't be needing anymore. And now moving on to the Surron seat, we're going to start by installing the front bracket only. You can see the indentations for the seat, how it's going to go in, and make sure that it is facing forwards. And tighten down the included M6 nuts using your 10mm socket. Now over here at the bike, we're going to loosely put on the rear bracket and then put the seat into place, making sure that the front bracket actually snaps around the frame of the bike. And then the rear is going to get seated in front of the frame so that the seat cannot move forward or backwards once installed. Then finally, we're going to use this rear keeper section, which is going to clamp the rear end in place and make sure that the seat cannot come off at all. And I'm telling you guys that this is a strong seat mount. I know it's made out of plastic, but you can pick up and yank the entire rear end of the bike from this mount, and it gives you a ton of space to sit both front and back. Now finally, here are some good shots of what the seat mount looks like from top and bottom. And as an added bonus, I designed this adapter kit to be fully compatible with the Surron rear fender on the back of the seat, which I think gives it a great look as well. Thanks for watching, and check it out down below.